everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my jewelry collection. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. I do just want to show all of my stuff just for kind of inspiration purposes and just to give you some ideas of like different jewelry that I like to wear. I love watching these videos just to see like people's different styles of stuff and going through all the things I have, either like bags, shoes, clothes, but this is going to be jewelry edition. I don't want to make this intro super long. I'm just going to get right into it. But I just realized I probably should have done this when I had better looking nails. They look absolutely terrible. I used self-tan a while ago and it just made them like totally yellow. And I also tried to do stick-on nails the other day because I needed them for my graduation pictures. And I couldn't go get my nails done anywhere, so I tried that and the glue is still stuck on my nails. So if I do any close-ups of my hands, like please just ignore that because it's really bad. I actually pretty much wear the same jewelry every single day. I don't really switch it up. I do have quite a big collection of jewelry. They're mostly things I used to wear like in the recent past, things I would like usually switch out, but as of lately I don't like change anything that I wear basically. I always have these necklaces and rings on and I don't really ever put on like fashion or like statement necklaces anymore. I'm gonna try and keep it in like categories, like do earrings, bracelets, necklaces all at once. I might forget some stuff because it's all like in this big pouch thing. I might forget some stuff or go out of order, but let's just get started. Basically what I have on every day are these two necklaces. This is just like a gold choker. These are real gold, so that's why I can wear them every single day. I love having actual real jewelry because there's like no point in getting jewelry that's just gonna like tarnish and turn green. Sometimes it's gonna have, especially if it's just like a trendy kind of piece that you know you like aren't gonna wear forever. I definitely have a few of those in here. So other than what I wear every single day, the majority of my stuff isn't real. But these are the two necklaces that I wear every day. I don't take them off. This is a choker, like I said. I used to have like a pendant or like a locket on it, but it was pretty big and I like to layer these. So I just took it off and this is my necklace that I wear. It has like 3 different charms on it. This little one is my guardian angel. This is a ring from when I was a baby, so it like barely fits on my pinky now, but this was a ring that I used to wear. And this is a little charm that my mom actually has. She had like a bracelet with me and my sister both have one of these. And this is just like a little face of a girl, and then on the back it has my name and birthday. So I absolutely love wearing this. It's just like 3 meaningful things like in one, and I just put it on this short chain. I actually just got this chain for Christmas because I had on one about this length, but it broke, and then I put on a longer one that kind of went down to like here, and I didn't like it that long, so for Christmas my parents got me another short one. Next I have my rings. This is just my promise ring that I got from John, my boyfriend. He gave this to me in 2016. We started dating in 2014. He got this for me 2 years after that, so I wear this every day since I've gotten it. Also my hands look a lot paler than me, sorry. Self-tanning life. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's really unique. It's not just like one of those Pandora rings. I mean, like, no hate to people who have Pandora rings, but I like that it's not just like simple, because I actually wanted one from Pandora. I think it was just like a simple band, but I'm glad he went and found something like really unique, and I've always loved it. So next on this hand I just have my mom's promise ring. So this is just a thin gold band with a diamond in the middle. I absolutely love this ring. I love like dainty jewelry, and I begged her for the longest time to give this to me, and she finally did. So I'm so happy to wear this because it was just sitting in her jewelry box. Also on my ring finger I have a band that looks like a crown for Zeta. That's my sorority, Zeta Tau Alpha, and our symbol is the crown, so that's why I have this ring. I got it at one of our conventions. I actually got it this year, so I'm glad I get to wear that to kind of like represent Zeta without being like in your face. On my left hand I always have my Apple Watch, and I recently, well not recently, I think it was Christmas, 2 Christmases ago, John got me a band for it that's kind of like tortoiseshell with a rose gold clasp. So it matches because I have the rose gold watch, and it just makes it look a lot nicer than like the sport band, because I like to wear this like when I'm wearing normal clothes or dressing up. And then above that I have this little gold bar plated bracelet. I absolutely love this too. It just has John's name on it and it's engraved with like a little heart. He got this for me some anniversary, Valentine's Day, I don't know, a long time ago. I think it was from an Etsy shop. I don't have the exact name, but there's plenty of these on Etsy for sure. The watch band is from Amazon, I know that, because he bought me like a Target one and it was like so expensive, and I told him we can just return it and get a cheap one on Amazon because I see them all the time, so we did that. For my earrings, these are from when I was little as well. They're just dangly little dainty hoops. I absolutely love them too because I don't have to take them out. They are real gold. They're really thin and light, so they don't bother me like having them dangle all the time. And I do switch out my earrings probably more than anything. I'll wear like bigger hoops sometimes, but these are fine when I'm sleeping, taking a shower, or whatever. On this ear I have 2 cartilage piercings. One of them is a little stud and then the other one is a hoop. These are all hoops from when I was a baby, so it's actually really cute because like they obviously fit my ear back then, but now they're like little mini ones for my cartilage, which is cool. I love the look of the hoop. I just started doing that like year before. I had 2 studs in there, but I was thinking, oh, I should put a hoop in, and I never take these out as well. So that is everything I usually wear on a daily basis. I'm now going to get into the different kinds of things that I have besides obviously what I have on. This is a bracelet I will throw on every time I get ready and like want something extra. This is a Michael Kors little cuff. My aunt got this for me for my high school graduation, so I've had it for a long time. I realized during my graduation pictures that there's like 2 little diamonds that have popped out, so really sad. They're not real diamonds obviously, but this hasn't tarnished or turned or anything. It's really pretty. It just slides on like this, so it's like really simple, and I've loved this since I got it. I feel like it hasn't really gone out of style. You can wear it with everything. It's kind of a rose gold finish. My sister has a gold one, but this one's rose gold, and I really like it. I'm really into like mixing metals. Like I don't really care if I have gold and silver jewelry on at the same time, obviously, because my rings are all different, and especially with rose gold, that kind of goes in between the two and they can all kind of like blend together. Next thing I like to add with this bracelet most of the time, like if I have the Michael Kors one on, I will put this Kate Spade little cuff that opens like this. So I usually will just lay them like this when I want to wear both, and I do it like the opposite hand of my watch. So I'll do this like when I'm more dressed up than now, but not like super fancy. I think I got it around the same time from my uncle. It has cute little diamonds on the front, and it's one of these like opening things. I just feel like they look really cute layered together. Next I'm going to try and do all my earrings. I really hope I can stay on track and get them all like going in the same order, but this is the first pair. They're just silver, pretty decent size hoops. I usually wear these when I'm going out and I'm wearing like a silver belt or something. That's the one time I don't really like to mix metals. If I'm wearing like silver accessories on my outfit, I'll try and match with my earrings, but I never take this off or anything, so I'm fine with like this matching with this. So these are like pretty big compared to some of the other ones I have. Probably the biggest ones I own in silver, and then I have the same exact finish but a little bit smaller. I actually wish I wore these more often. Next, these are pretty much the size of the other ones I just showed, but they kind of have like a rope detail, I guess. They have a little bit more texture to them, so. And next are my go-to big gold chunky hoops. I love these. I have no idea where those silver ones are from. I've probably had them forever. These I'm pretty sure I got on Amazon or Wish. I wish I honestly will get a lot of jewelry, just because if they're like trendy pieces, I don't want to spend a lot of money, and you can get them so cheap. I'm pretty sure I got these for like $4, and of course they're not the best quality, but I literally wear them all the time and they haven't broken or anything, but they've stayed in really good quality. I've had them for, I'm sure, over a year, and they were like $4, so if I want to replace them, it's super easy. But I love these. They're really lightweight, but give you like that chunky look. Next are some smaller little gold hoops. They have like a bit of a thicker end, so they're not like the same thickness all the way around. I'm so glad that hoop earrings even came back in style, because I literally used to wear hoops like this in like middle school, even elementary school. Like hoop earrings were like the thing. So I'm so glad they're a thing again, because I feel like they're very flattering. I was the only one I feel like that would wear them like at my age, but these like tortoiseshell hoop earrings, but they don't like go all the way around. I'm pretty sure I got these from Wish as well, and these honestly suck. Like I only wore them a couple times, and the back is missing. This gold piece is kind of coming off, but you can make it work if you really want to. They honestly kind of just look black when I wear them usually, and they blend in with my hair when I have it down, so I don't typically wear them, but I like to have them just in case. Next, I have a nice statement earring. These are some really shiny, dingly, they're like a circle on the top, and then they have like a square rectangle-ish detail hanging from the bottom. I think I might have only worn these like once. I would wear them again if I like dressed up. I feel like I just always go towards my hoops no matter what. These I'm sure were from Wish as well. I'm telling you, that's like the best place to get trendy jewelry, and people like are so skeptical of it, but I get a lot of my stuff from there. I've never bought clothes or anything, but jewelry for sure, and sunglasses. Oh my gosh, I'm realizing how much jewelry I still have even after going through it all. There's like a ton of stuff right here. Okay, next are little studs. I'm just gonna go through these really quick, and I never really put these in. I don't know why I kept any of them. I did just go through, like I said, and got rid of a lot of other ones, but I really should just get rid of all these because I'm never gonna wear them. I just have these little black ones. They're actually kind of a bigger size. Little triangles with kind of a marbly stone detail in the middle. Oh my gosh, my little fake Chanel. I remember I got these in like middle school because they were so like Tumblr aesthetic. These are actually kind of cute. I hate wearing fake stuff though. Like everything designer now I have, I'd never get it fake, so I would hate to like wear these and like know that they're not real. Little pearls. I used to wear these a lot. This was like my go-to earring. Same with these if I wanted like a more diamondy look. These are cute little diamond studs. These are really cute too. If I ever were to wear studs, these are the ones I'd probably pick. These are little metal, kind of Aztec looking design on these. And I have some bigger circular diamond studs. These are actually from dance in high school. These were our dance earrings. We all had to have the same ones, but they're actually really cute. If you want to dress up and have a stud, they're like really pretty. And then I have a couple random studs just if I want to put them in my cartilage. I don't think these are real though. I don't know where my real one went that they pierced it with. but I have these just in case. This video might be a lot longer than I expected. Next, I have some of my dangly kind of earrings. They're just silver, like leaves, I think. These are also leaves. These are gold. I think these were my sister's back in when she was in high school. And I used to get like all her hand-me-down jewelry and stuff, but these are really cute and I kept them. I used to wear these all the time in high school, even like the beginning of college. These were like my fancy dressed up earrings. They're really pretty. They're like reflective, kind of teardrop shape with a little bit of like detailing in between. Again, I don't know where any of these are from. I've accumulated them over the years. Oh, I loved these for a while. They kind of have like a hook onto your ear. Like this is like goes through your ear, and then it has like some threading and then like a half circle. So they're really pretty on, and I love like the thread on them. It was kind of when those like dingly tassel earrings were in style. I definitely have some of those coming. Next are kind of my like really fancier earrings, like ones I've worn for, I wore them to prom, homecoming, something, I don't know. But they were still cute enough to like keep, and I know I'd wear them again if I'm really dressed up. I love these. They're like really long, dangly crystal looking earrings. These are for when you're very dressed up, but I always forget I have these ones, and I feel like they'd be really cute with like a long dress. And then these were, I think I wore these at my cousin's wedding. Yeah, they're also very crystally, kind of dangly. These are very pretty for like weddings, because they're more like classic style, I feel. I actually think these are the last couple earrings. These are the dangly ones I talked about. These are actually still really cute. I just feel like they're not in style as much anymore. These were so trendy for like a long time. Again, I think I got these from Wish, and they lasted like all through the trend. And I also have some great ones. They have like a circular stud at the top and then a little tassel that hangs down. Okay, I think that's all the earrings. I'm now gonna go into my necklaces. This was, again, if I want to get dressed up, I could wear them with those like crystally earrings. It's just this hanging, sparkly, crystally looking necklace. Again, this isn't real, but it looks really nice. Next, I have this choker. It kind of has like a weird, I don't even know what this is, but chokers were definitely in for a while. I kept some of them because I feel like it would be cool for like a certain kind of look, or if I'm doing something like really bohemian, even for like a photo shoot or something. Or if I ever go to Coachella, this would be appropriate. Also in that pouch I have, oh my gosh, I have one of those like body chain things. I've never worn this. I think I bought it thinking I was gonna wear it with a bathing suit or something. I don't know what I was thinking, honestly, but I think I kept it because it would be cute under a low cut shirt, like one of those shirts that like go really far down, because I feel like I could wear it underneath and like still wear like a full outfit with it. This is another necklace I used to wear a lot, probably like the beginning of college. It's really cute. I see, but I'm like, I'm never gonna wear this again. Maybe I would. But it has like two little triangles. This one has like a marble detail, and this is just like a V, but they layer right on top of each other. And this was like the ultimate layered necklace I would wear all the time. It's definitely like rusted now. It was gold and now it's like a silver, but the metal color doesn't really bother me because it's kind of like in between. These are actually really trendy again now. I should probably wear this. I just hate like things that I can't keep on all the time, but this would actually look cute with what I have on. I actually used to do that. I would leave these on and then like also put this crystal on the top, like a circular crystal pendant, a little shape geometric thing, and then a bar. So I absolutely love the bar. I think that makes it really cute. Okay, so this is a necklace, but it really doesn't look like it, and I kept it probably not to wear as a necklace. It was one of these like ropes that was really trendy in like what, 2017 probably. I wore this a lot beginning college. You would like put it on and like wrap it. Somehow we would like wrap it and then like tie it. Okay, this next one's pretty iconic. It's one of the claw hook. I don't know what these are called. What do they call these? Horn necklaces. I don't know. I was on the search for one of these forever, and they were all from like those boutiques or like Instagram stores, and they were like $45, and I go, I don't wish. And I'm pretty sure this was like $3, so it survived the trend. Like I said, the neck is kind of rusting, but again, I like barely ever wear this anymore, especially, and if I ever did, it wouldn't really bother me. This is the one long necklace I have. This is from high school, just because I feel like everyone would wear long necklaces. Definitely not a thing anymore, but just in case I ever do it, because I know trends come back. I don't know, that's why I hate getting rid of some stuff, because I feel like it could be coming back and like whoever knows. This is another choker. It's kind of more thin and dainty. It's silver still, but I could layer this with whatever and also just kind of keep by itself. This is another layered necklace that kind of has like a horn look to it, with a regular part of the necklace and then a little circle. So that was all of the necklaces. I'm now going into bracelets. First one I have here, this is from my bag. It's like a little friendship bracelet. Yeah, like one of those adjustable rope bracelets, and she has one too, so it's really cute. I just have these two metal looking scrunchy kind of bracelets. These are definitely just old, cheap, whatever, but I kept anything that was like neutral colored or just metal because I know that's something that I could still like put to use if I really wanted to. And this set that I got, oh my gosh, I wore this non-stop in college. It's like one of these regular ones, and then the other one has a tassel, and I would put them together and just like, I thought they were so cute. They're so stretched out. Next one is this, they look like little rocks, like pebbles, but I like the neutral color, so I kept that. And then these are two little stretchy, flimsy, same things. These are really big. I honestly should get rid of these. And then these are a little more fancy looking, still like stretchy bracelets. And this is my fancier bracelet that I'll wear when I am getting really dressed up or I have that other like wedding kind of jewelry on. It's really pretty. It has like cute little diamond detail and really thin and dainty. The things, I feel like silver is like a more fancy color. Like when you're getting dressed up, you're supposed to wear silver, but maybe not so much anymore. I don't know. Oh, I also forgot to show this necklace. I had it in a separate box. This is from my parents, I think my graduation, like senior year or something in high school. It's this white gold anchor necklace. This is real. It has little diamonds in the middle, and I used to wear this all the time. I'm not into silver anymore. Well, it's gold, but white gold. I like the yellow gold look. Yeah, my last bracelets, these are funny. These are a throwback. I have my Alex and Ani bracelets. I wanted to keep these just because I wore these every single day in high school, I promise. And I would have like a million of them stacked up my arm. I would wear them all at one time. If you did the same thing, let me know, because that was quite the era. They're all rusted, but I wanted to keep like the really special ones. I got rid of the ones that like were just random, but I had so many that I would wear on my arm. These are more sentimental because this one's a crown, and I figured like now it means like Zeta to me, but then also John got this for me for a Christmas present when we first started dating. This one was from my grandma, and it just says granddaughter, so obviously that's really sentimental. This one I think was my first one, and it has my initial on it, so it's something that I wanted to keep. And then I have one with a graduation cap from my friend Ashley. She gave this to me for my high school graduation. And then I also have two bourbon and bow ties bracelets. This was exactly the same like trend and era of the Alex and Ani. I definitely don't have as much like southern stuff, and this is really southern. They're really nice bracelets. I got rid of one of them just because it was really big on me and I don't even wear them, but I figured at least these are black and like crystally white, so I could wear them if I really wanted to. Yeah, that's actually all of my jewelry. I don't think I'm missing anything, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and going through all of the jewelry that I own. The only things I really get the most use out of obviously are the things I wear every day. I still love jewelry and like playing around with it, so I figured it would be fun to go through all the stuff I have. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.